Hi, this is Bill from Hiragari. I've got a really quick video for you today. DIY camera mounts, lighting mounts, basically any kind of mount that you want. So I'm using things like this GoPro clone, the SJ Cam, using lights like this to light up the studio here. I've just had another couple of these come in so I can do some multi-angle kind of things, which is pretty cool. But what I need some mounts for them, and you can go and buy like a GorillaPod or a Joby or something. Like this is what I use for my DSLR, and it's kind of good because I can prop it up and balance it and get it on top of things and stuff like that. But that's a little bit expensive to buy lots and lots of those. So what I'm going to do is show you how for literally, I don't know, under $5, depending on where you buy your bits and pieces from, you can make something that you can mount a small camera to, anything that has a standard kind of tripod mount on it. The important thing to note is on most tripod mounts, this bit here, and for most things, it's going to be a 1/4 inch. So imperial, not metric. So I went and bought a box of these, and they also include nuts, and I've already opened these up and used a couple of them. It doesn't have to be super long because the thread, obviously, the depth of these things is not very big, and you obviously don't want to drill all the way through into your nice camera, but you want the shortest thread that you can find. Dollar store, junk store, and just got a couple of these. And these things are, put one on your finger, and you'll see that they will leave a bit of a mark, so they're obviously kind of strong enough. Previously I've had to pre-drill these. These ones actually come with holes, and they are about the right size for this. Just get a little socket in there. Okay, now that's tight in there and that's not going anywhere. Let's take a nut. If you want to make sure that that's absolutely not going to go anywhere, put that on the end and just give it a quick tighten. And that's it. Basically, as it's done, I can now take this thread here. You know, if I want to make it a little bit more positionable for the size of the thread, what I can do is add another bolt. And you may wish to add a washer to this as well. But what I can do there is just put this little bit on here. Once I get it to the position that I'm happy with, let's say that I want it in that position, and then just finger tighten. And there we go. And literally a couple of minutes. It might take you a little bit longer if you don't have the holes and you have to drill these out, but pretty quick, pretty cheap, works really, really well. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification for any new videos that I post. And I'm also got an Instagram now, so you can go check that out. And I'll see you in the next video.